Hey, what's up guys? John with RussellMarineProducts.com, and today we're going to show you how to source your GPS and heading information from your iPilot link trolling motor to your Humminbird Helix unit. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that your trolling motor software is up to date. And this one is. If you guys need to go over how to update that software, we can do that in another video. This one is up to date, so we're actually able to source that GPS information through the one boat network. The trolling motor is communicating with our graph through the 5-port switch. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our network tab. We're going to press the menu button twice. We're going to scroll all the way over to the right-hand side to Network. And we're going to scroll down to Network Source Setup. Press the right cursor key to select that. And now we've got all of our networking options right here in front of us. And as you can see, we've only got a couple options here. But the one that we want to select is GPS. So we have the GPS from the Helix 9 selected right now, and all we're going to do is scroll down to the trolling motor option here, and we're going to use the right cursor to check that box. And now we're actually sourcing the GPS and the heading information from the iPilot link trolling motor. This is going to allow you to mark more accurate waypoints, but also, if you guys have ever noticed where the chart might be spinning around on you when you're in a stationary situation, the heading sensor is going to fix that part of it, as well as allow you to mark waypoints on your Mega 360 transducer. So this is a function that you're going to be able to take advantage of right out of the box with the iPilot link trolling motor. If you don't have an iPilot link and you want that heading sensor information, you're going to have to buy that AS, GPS, HS antenna, and it's going to cost you a couple $100. So if you're running all Humminbird graphs and you're looking at purchasing a new trolling motor, the iPilot link is definitely a good bang for your buck. It's going to save you a little bit of money when it comes to upgrading your heading and your GPS information, as well as allow you to do things like follow the contour. So if you guys have any questions at all about this, go ahead, put that down in the comment section below. Feel free to call us at 316-313-4113 or shoot us an email over at sales@russellmarineproducts.com. And thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.
Are you tired of your old marine electronics? At R&P, we make trade-in easy. 3 steps. Step 1, shoot us an email, get a quote. Step 2, send us your old unit and get credit. Step 3, get your brand new unit and get it installed on your boat today.